Get off the couch, get out, get something done, get out in the garage. I know that lawnmower's broken. I know you don't need it right now, but get it running so when the spring comes, boom, you'll be out there mowing the lawn. I know that boat don't run right? Get out there, fix the boat. Hey, broskies, I know you got a car laying around the yard that ain't working right. Get her done, take her down the track, blow it up, rebuild the motor, put it in there. Hey, better yet, if you don't have something, get a project, get something, grab it, take it. $500 cars, I love those. I got me a $400 car I'm going to pick up. I don't know when we're going to get it, but we're going to get it soon. It's a Ford Falcon and we're going to Pennsylvania to pick it up. We're going to have a good time with this car. I'm looking forward. I love Fords, but I always wanted a Falcon. Now I got a Falcon. $400. Build your motor, put a tranny in there. Boom, take it down the track. Burn the tires off. There's nothing better than that.